A Colorado Springs police officer who was arrested on felony kidnapping charges last week is still cashing a paycheck from the city. It's part of the policy with Colorado Springs Police.
But should he be, and is there anything the police chief can do about it? KRDO News Channel 13 Spencer Switcher is live outside of the El Paso County Courthouse, where the officer met a judge for the first time today. Spencer.
Mallory and Heather, Shane Reed had a bond advisory hearing here earlier today, but he still hasn't been formally charged, and he won't be for another 6 days. That means taxpayers are stuck paying for his paycheck for quite a bit of time.
Anything you want to say about the charges you're facing?
Colorado Springs police officer Shane Reed is out on $10,000 bond.
I do, Your Honor.
He's accused of dragging a 15-year-old boy by his wrist for 20 to 30 feet, pushing him up against a wall and telling him he'd kill him and nobody would find his body. He's facing a felony kidnapping charge, but he's still getting paid.
Mr. Reed, if you'll come up to the lectern, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Based on CSPD's pay scale as an officer for at least the last 3 years, if Reed has a 5-day, 40-hour-per-week job, he's cost taxpayers at least $2,776.32. A Springs police spokesperson told us department policy states people are paid on administrative leave until they are charged. In Reed's case, that's 13 days.
And it would make reasonable sense for many chiefs of police and sheriffs to put this person on unpaid leave, and they then would forfeit any salary, present or future, until the case had a disposition on it.
Dan Corsentino, a law enforcement expert, former police chief and Pueblo County sheriff, says decisions like this can vary case by case depending on the offense. According to the CSPD handbook, quote, an employee may be placed on administrative leave with or without pay at the discretion of the chief, so long as it doesn't conflict with civil service rules.
It's clearly almost a form of child abuse at this point in time.
Another practice would be to fire an officer, and if charges are dropped, they can sue for back pay. Corsentino says he's a bit surprised that interim police chief Adrian Vasquez didn't cut ties with Reed, who's still presumed innocent.
That's clearly the discretionary call of the chief.
Now, after Reed's court appearance earlier today, I hopped in the elevator on his way out and asked him if he would tell us what he believes really happened. He said he couldn't do that because his attorneys told him not to talk, and he walked outside of the south exit over there. For now, reporting live at the El Paso County Courthouse, I'm Spencer Switcher for KRDO News Channel 13.
All right, Spencer, thank you.